Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar video. Every day between now and December 24th, I will reveal a different day in this wonderful Advent Calendar. Yay! Let's get into this video. I adore the Advent Calendar. This is the third year of crafty goodness. I can't wait to see what's in store for today. Let's get started. Here we are on day 5. So on the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see. Yay. It's another die set. Alrighty, this one is fun. Let's look at this loopy fun one. The width of this is 4 1/4 inch, so this will work perfectly on your vertical A2 cards, so you can just do loops all the way around. Let's look at my example. Maybe that's exactly what I did. Yay! Here is my December 5th example, another A2 card. So with this beautiful loopy background, which is great for birthday cards, but you can take it beyond that. And I did use it here in the background. The width is 4 1/4 inch, but I did clip it here on the edge because this is a little bit smaller. So let's talk about what I used to make this card. Here I'm using Spellbinders Sage cardstock for my little loops. I did use some adhesive sheets to lay this down. You could also use wet glue, but the good thing with the Barely Art glue, you can do little dots so you don't have so much glue everywhere. And I had this idea that I wanted 5 of this on an A2 card. And what I started with was the middle loop, which is now covered up by the sentiment, but it's there. When I started off with the middle, it's easier to do the spacing instead of starting here at the bottom and going, or the top and going one next to the other. That's usually when things don't look even. So it's easier to start dead center first and then go this way. Let's talk about the goodies here. This is all Lisa Horton goodies and then a foundation die in the back. Everything I'm showing you here was on sale. Maybe the cyber sale extended an additional day. That would be nice because all of this was in that sale. This little cluster right here with the florals and the sentiment comes from Lisa Horton's Spotlight Frames and Floral Collection. I'll link my video here so you can take a look at the collection. Really sweet collection. This is the layered anemone die, and you just put these 2 pieces together. There's a large flower and a small flower. So I have the large and the small. That's the center. There are these leaves, but I did change out my leaves. And then there's also a stem. For the different leaves that you see here, I wanted something a little bit bigger than this. I went into Vicky P's collection. This is the Tunnelscape collection. Some of it I'm using for day 6 right here. I pulled off what I needed to use off the pack and have it here for day 6. So the leaf is this one and then that one. This is from her Rainbow Slice Tunnel dies. Lovely, and it was on sale too. It's been on sale if you want to add that whole collection. Tunnelscapes collection. Let me link my video so you can take a look at that amazing collection. I tucked in these leaves with the anemone. I think it's very pretty. And then I wanted it to be around a nice sentiment. And Lisa Horton has these 2 beauties. There is You Make Me Smile sentiment and die set, and a little hello. Here I layered up pink sand cardstock, white and pink sand again. This is that velvet rose, and then peridot for the green, rainforest, and fern. Okay, so these are all Spellbinders cardstock. The only thing I have from my stash is this outer color. I had layered this up, and it's a triple layer, but you don't have to use all 3 layers. This is the bottom layer. This is the second layer, which is in white, and then here is the top for smile. And then you stamp this out and cut it out with the coordinating die, and I use Smile. It's the best medicine. Loving this. I could have also used this version, a little hello. And the hello has the same thing with the 3 dies. And then you stamp and cut this out. So I could have also had hello, my dear friend, sending you a happy hello. So it could have been up here sending you a happy and hello too. Lots of fun with these 2 sets. This sold out like twice. It's back in stock now if you wanted to start off your year with something fun like that set. And this flower too, all year round winner with that one. I could have also done happy birthday, but I did want to revisit the smile. And then in the background here, I'm using the nested postage labels and tag die. I love this foundation die so much. Largest die in here is an A2, 4¼ by 5½ inch. And then this inner layer. The inner layer is what you see here in white. And then I put the loops down and then built up from there. Gold gems here to finish it off, the solid part. This is a top folding shaped card. So what I did was put a 1/2 inch score here in the back and glue the top together. If you want to see how to make a shaped card like this, I'll link a video here. That would be from the Stitchmas Day one where I was using Make-A-Wish Arch, but it's the same thing with this. You just have to make sure that you line up all these little postage edge correctly, because see, I have white cardstock here. So fun. Okay, crafters, that is it for my December 5th example. Can't wait to show you December 6th. I already gave you a little hint with this. Everything will be detailed and linked below. And crafters, I do have a Advent Calendar playlist. I'll link it here and at the end of the video if you want to see day one and you're catching up, or if you just got your Advent Calendar, you're still available. So you can always refer back to that playlist if you want to see some inspiration. Lots of it from many Spellbinders makers too. Yana especially. She's been knocking it out the park every day. I'm like, wow, Yana. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Loving this. From little squiggles, big card. Stay crafty. Bye.